Avoid cross-contamination between restrooms and other building areas by treating restroom cleaning as a separate, non-transferable procedure every time. Start by designating cloths and tools exclusively for restrooms and store them in a sealed container near the restroom so they never leave the area. Use a clear color coding system and labels that everyone understands and make them part of onboarding and daily checklists so staff do not guess which cloth goes where. Clean and disinfect high-touch restroom surfaces from cleanest to dirtiest, for example, faucets and dispensers before toilet partitions to reduce spreading microbes. Rinse or change cloths frequently and use single-use disposable wipes for heavy soil when possible to avoid reintroducing contamination back onto surfaces. Train staff to don and doff gloves correctly and to wash their hands between tasks, even when gloves are used, because gloves can give a false sense of safety. Finally, keep cleaning solution dilution charts and contact time instructions posted where products are stored so staff apply disinfectants effectively every time. The most common mistake is allowing restroom cloths to be reused in other areas, which spreads pathogens to break rooms and offices. So keep restroom cloths locked or clearly separated and enforce the rule daily. Another frequent issue is poor labeling or inconsistent color codes that confuse workers. So standardize a simple palette, post a one-page guide in the supply area, and review it weekly during briefings. A third problem is neglecting surface contact times for disinfectants, which results in ineffective kill rates. So always follow the product label, set a timer if needed, and replace solutions on schedule. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate contractors for sanitation and general maintenance projects, and it connects contractors seeking work with local clients. We also host a discussion community where we and our members share tips, ask questions, and learn practical cleaning and prevention strategies together.